Nice me not come off pretty. I'm gonna tell you about pretty white. 5 things you need to know before you even start bleaching your skin that you sit and watch till the end of this video. Number 1, ensure that you check your expiry date on any lightening cream that you're going to use, lightening oil, lightening lotion. I don't see no hydroquinone in this. I don't know, but I don't see none in the ingredients. It's just weird. But anyway, I don't see none in this. Wow. Unless we need to put on glasses. If you use a cream that is expired, you know you're going to get skin irritation and all that stuff. You don't even want to eat food that is expired. Who does that? But people do, but I don't. Step 2. How much finger this again? 2. Yeah. Ensure that any lightening cream you're going to use, you mix it with oil. It's nice to get my shea butter, people. But I will be talking about the shea butter in another video. Wanna ensure and watch it because I will be talking about it. So the next video that I'm going to do, I will be talking about it. Yeah, use your oil, lemon oil, carrot oil, shea butter. It's not an oil, but it can melt into an oil. Don't get me wrong. You have bio oil, you have bio clear oil, 2 different types of oil. One is for bleaching, one is for stretch marks and all that. I'm not going to get into all of that, but you can mix your lightening cream with it. So step 3, always have a sunscreen. This will be in my description, so you can go ahead and purchase it. You can use this on your body, and let me tell you, it works. Always have a sunscreen. Use the cream one to add to your cream. If you do not use sunscreen, let me tell you what will happen. Sun gonna burn you, because remember, bleach, you know. Sun gonna burn your eye and have them dark circles on your eye, especially when you go to the beach. People, I did that before. Nice me not come off pretty. I'm gonna tell you about pretty white. Yeah, I had a modeling contest where I did immaculate modeling, right? Nice and slim and trim and look nice, you know. Well, I went to the beach because this friend invited me out, and she was my invite me out to backside the day before I have the competition. And let me tell you, say, I didn't know that I was going to get sunburns like that. And when I reach home, you see, and look in the mirror, when me tell us a dark circle under my eye, me look like I don't even want to look in the mirror. On the day of the competition, I had to go out and buy a black opal makeup. I love that type of makeup, brand makeup. So I went out and I bought the makeup and I tried to put over my face. But at the end of the day, I had to go to the makeup artist so she can fix up my face for the... Actually, I don't know. Let me tell you something. Use sunscreen. Use sunscreen. It works. It works, people. Step 4. Test your lightening gels. When you mix it, mix a little in a little something and use it. Test it out for a week and see how it react to your skin before you start to use it all over your skin. Because people, you can use some lightening gel there. Tamarind, papaya, milk protein. I don't have a problem. See there? Let me get the next one here. People in America said they can't get this. I wish I could send it, But as them say, I was asking about how can this reach over there. They say that the plane would explode if I if I said this. So guys, I'm sorry. I just can't say it. Oh well, as long as you find a lightening gel that works for your skin, don't stop using it. The only time you stop using it is when you get your complexion. And I would advise that you give it a break, you use it, you give it a break. But this, boy, I tell you, not lie. I love this. Bad. I love this gel, this milk protein gel, people. Carotone doing a good job. Carotone doing a good job. Sheabutter, as I'm going to do a video on this, the Ashanti natural yellow sheabutter. Link will be in my description. You can purchase everything you may have here. You can purchase it on Amazon. Yeah. Number 5, this is my last one, guys. Yeah. If you use a lightening cream that you have been using over 1 year and then you see your face start turning dark instead of getting light, you need to discontinue it. And if you're using the lightening cream for 2 days, 1 day, 2 days, mostly one, and you start seeing irritation on your skin, discontinue use. If you've been using it for 1 month and then you start seeing pimples and a lot of things coming up on your skin, especially as I was telling you about the Caro white black dove yesterday, some people have been having irritations and all that. And I use the white dove, I don't use black dove. I'm sorry, but guys, this is the end of my video. I thank you so much for coming. Please like, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Share the video with your family and friends every single day you come here. Yeah, and please just watch the ads, that keep me motivated to do more videos. So have a great one. Oh, I have more videos I can go watch, Oh, so go and watch the rest of the video. Then don't even stop right there. Go and go watch more videos.